Mr. Parekh, first question, of course, we've had disappointing voting percentage in Mumbai for a very long time. This time,
I hope we are wrong this time.
Please, your message to the voters to come out and vote, sir. First thing.
I was very disappointed. I asked the voting, the man who took checked the name and all that, what is the turnout now? He said it's low.
Correct.
This is South Bombay and it's low, but the process is slow also. I know some people who've stood for 1 hour and gone because it's very hot.
Absolutely, sir. Sir, one thing about, of course, the voting and the government, how important, according to you, would be the political stability for policy stability going forward, sir?
No, it's absolutely necessary to have a stable government, and stability is the key for progress. So we need stability, we need good leadership at the center, which we've been having for the last 10 years. And so we hope that whichever party is elected, there's stability.
So what is the one thing you kept in mind when you voted today?
No, stability of the government and progress of India. India is doing well. We have to grow rapidly now. We are growing at twice the rate of the world. We should continue that.
कुछ बदलाव चाहते हैं, कुछ बदलाव सोचकर आपने कुछ वोट किया कि
Both in terms of Mumbai as well as the
मुंबई में तो
country.
काफी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आ गया है. कोई भी गवर्नमेंट है आता है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अपना रेल रोड सब हो रहा है. हाउसिंग भी थोड़ा थोड़ा हो रहा है. सो गवर्नमेंट अच्छा काम कर रही है. जो
At the national level, sir?
national level is also we cannot get a 7% consistent growth rate with a reasonable
So
inflation.
what will be the economic priorities you think for the new government? Infrastructure building?
No, the priority even of the existing government is to bring the lowest strata of people up. We are spending a lot of money on giving free food, and we are giving free rice or wheat. That will continue. It costs a lot of money, but it gives at least no one is short of food at least.
One question, sir. Of course, the main intention for the next government, as per spelled out by the existing government, is developed India by 2047. How do you see it? 6 to 7% GDP growth right now. What is the consistent growth rate which India needs to achieve, and what would be the key criteria?
7 to 9% GDP growth rate India will be a different place in 10 years. Continuous 7 to 8, 9%. We will be a different country, a stronger country. We are even now a strong economy, but it'll be even be better.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us.
Thank you.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18. Now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.